What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering some data entry positions where you don't have to take any calls and you can make upwards of $20 per hour doing data entry remotely from home. Now previously I did cover some data entry positions here paying around $18 per hour, and those are really good paying data entry positions. Most data entry jobs do not usually pay more than $15 per hour. In fact, $15 per hour is really good for a data entry position, because if you search online, most jobs that allow you to do data entry remotely from home are going to be paying you next to minimum wage. So from time to time I do find these higher paying data entry jobs. So if you never want to miss out, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, just about a day ago I found this job right here, and this job was covered on the work from home channel. This is a pharmacy technician, or a data entry pharmacy technician position at Kier, and this job was paying just about $18 to $19 per hour. High end of the salary range here is $38 or just about $39,000 per year, and that works out to be right around $18 per hour. Now for this position, they did require that you have a pharmacy technician license, or it was preferred. But if you didn't have it, they would require that you have one in the state of Texas. If you didn't have one in the state of Texas, then they wanted someone who was eligible or had the ability to obtain that license. So that was for this job covered on the work from home channel. And today I found pretty much the very same position at another company, but without the requirements of having a state license. So if you were interested in that job, but you weren't able to apply because of not having the license in the state of Texas, then probably you could apply for this position today. It's a similar position and it is data entry. Now, just in case you guys haven't already done so, be sure to go over to my second channel where I covered this job lead. That's the work from home channel, which is going to be this channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home job opportunities that I can find online. And if you look at some of my previous videos, you'll see that these jobs are definitely paying higher than the average for the type of jobs that they are. So for example, working from home remotely doing writing worldwide, you could make around $38 per hour with this job lead. Also, social media manager position here paying around $40 per hour, fully remote. Also, other jobs here including a shift supervisor position paying $28 per hour. Netflix hiring paying upwards of $3,900 per week, again paying over $3,200 per week. And entry-level jobs here that don't require a college degree, don't require any experience. Usually they only require that you have a high school diploma or the equivalent, and you can make $20 per hour working here for this job lead. So some really good high paying positions covered here on the work from home channel. So again, if you're in the market for a remote work from home job, whether it's part-time, full-time, overnight, flexible schedule, doesn't really matter. As long as you're searching for some method of making money from home remotely, be sure to check out the work from home channel. Be sure to subscribe. Also, more importantly, be sure to tap the notification bell right here and turn on all notifications, because it seems as if that's the only way that YouTube will send out notifications of when I post new videos on this channel. And you definitely want to be the first to come across these new job leads, because sometimes depending on the job, if they're paying really well and they don't require a ton of experience, they go really quickly. Sometimes the job listings are removed within the same day that they're posted. So you definitely want to be the first to find the job leads and also apply to any that you're interested in. Now with that said, let's dive into the main job lead for today, which is going to be a pharmacy technician, but kind of like a data entry technician here. And this job is fully remote. Also, they're offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus. So that's a plus. That's also an advantage on the other job that I covered before on the work from home channel. And this is what they offer. So you get daily pay, flexible schedule, competitive pay, shift differential depending on the schedule that you're working. You get health, dental, vision, and life insurance benefits. You get tuition assistance, employee discount program, 401k plan, paid time off, again, tuition reimbursement. And this is a non-retail environment and you'll be working from home. Now, responsibilities of this position order entry for new or refill medications, file documents as required by pharmacy regulations, respond to customer inquiries as necessary, fill drug kits under direct supervision, applying accuracy, also match reprinted label and delivery manifest with a source document, locate medication from pharmacy supply area, count out and package in correct system. Now this may not apply to you because this is a remote position. Also pre-packaging medications according to standard procedures. So a lot of these may not apply to you if you're working from home remotely. I think probably they just copied the responsibilities from another position, which was a location specific position, and they just pasted everything for this job lead. Now, as for requirements, what you need to land this job, you need a high school diploma or equivalent. Registered pharmacy technician is preferred but not required, but they do require that you have some pharmacy experience. Also, excellent data entry skills, attention to detail, and be able to work under deadlines, excellent oral and written communication skills, and excellent customer service skills. So if you want to apply to this position, link is down below. You could go ahead and apply. Now, another position that is open and available at this company, Farm America, is going to be a billing specialist. This is also another fully remote work from home job. You can live anywhere in the US, and it is full-time. Working hours are Monday to Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Zone. And this job offers kind of the same benefits, but responsibilities are a bit different here. So responsibilities will include interpreting contract documents to ensure billing is performed in compliance with all contract terms, facilitates and ensures accurately and timely billing of services and fees, processes changes in information systems to support accurate and efficient billing process, participate in month-end closing and audits as necessary, completes interim statement review to ensure charges are accurate, provides customer support, supports other departments, works under general supervision, performs other tasks as assigned, and conducts job responsibilities in accordance with the standards set out in the company's code of business conduct. And as for qualifications for this position, all you really need here is a high school diploma or the equivalent, or a 2-year degree would be preferred, but you don't need to have that. Also, customer service, financial service, accounting, technical, or some other experience in which the ability to problem solve, work under strict deadlines, and produce quality outputs are displayed would be required. Third-party billing or collections experience in the healthcare industry, AS400 computer experience is preferred. Flexibility, decisiveness, tenacity, problem solving, practical learning, detail conscious, communicates effectively, dependability, responsible, builds trust, resolve conflicts constructively, that is required. And also ability to be initiative and analytical are preferred competencies. So if you are interested in this position, you can apply. This one is paying around $21 per hour, and this is for a billing specialist. Now, if you've never heard about this company before, I was able to find them on Glassdoor. The company is listed here. Reviews are a bit lower than the industry standard at 2.6 out of 5 stars. And you guys could go ahead and read some of the reviews here and see why the ratings are so low. But the first review here is actually a 5-star review. Pros, easy, straightforward job to do. Management is organized and supportive. Coworkers are nice. This person was working as a pharmacy technician as well. Cons, pay is kind of low and no room for growth really. So you guys could go through the reviews. They have over 600 reviews here, so you can see why the ratings or the overall rating for this company is lower than the industry average. Also for salaries, there are over 1,000 reported salaries here. So a pharmacy technician based on 176 salaries is making around $39,000 per year, range off anywhere from $34,000 to $45,000 per year. So that is what you should expect to make here if you're able to land that position. Other people here doing data entry based on 7 reported salaries are making around $41,000, and billing specialists are making around $44,000 as well. So you go through the salaries and you could kind of figure out what this company is paying depending on which one of the jobs you want to apply to. So these are the job leads for today. Again, we had the pharmacy data entry technician at Pharmerica, and we also had a billing specialist here as well. And also another position that I covered on the work from home channel a day ago, which is a pharmacy technician and data entry at CareMeds. If you guys haven't already seen that job lead video, be sure to go over to the work from home channel, check that out. You may want to apply for this position as well. Now, before you guys go, just want to remind you quickly off this resource that I created. If you're struggling with your resume or struggling with landing interviews, this is the Pro Resume Templates, professionally done, eye-catching and interview landing resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. This way, your resume or your job application doesn't get stuck, it doesn't get filtered out or discarded by the ATS system, and now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So included here are 3 resume templates with instructions, 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, 3 matching reference pages, 3 matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs, so you don't need to pay for any subscription software like Microsoft Word. Also, you can edit these on any device, so MacBook friendly, PC friendly, iPhone friendly, Android friendly, smart TV friendly, iPad friendly, tablet friendly, just about any device that has a browser, internet connection, and you have some method of typing. You could use that to edit these templates. Everything is fully customizable. There's even a screen recording included of me showing you guys exactly how to edit these templates in just about 5 minutes. If you don't like the templates, you can actually use the instructions to create your own ATS compliant resume. So that's a plus. So really flexible in terms of what you could do here. But the link is down below if you do need this resource. So as always, I hope you guys find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for. Hopefully these videos help you out in finding high paying opportunities that you can apply for. But as always, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.